Hello everyone, I am Karthik Gujar. Today I will be presenting our internal test analysis covering questions 15 and 16. This section focuses on normalization and correlation analysis. This presentation is submitted to Dr. Shaligram Prajapati. Moving on to our first slide. Let's start with the question 15. We are working with a feedback database where the minimum score is 13, the maximum is 70. The mean is roughly 29.96 and the standard deviation is 12.94. Our specific target value to normalize is 35. We applied two methods first, min-max normalization. This scaled data to fixed range between 0 and 1. Using the formula 35 minus 13 by 70 minus 13, we get a result of 0.386. The z-score normalization, the standardized data based on the mean and deviation using the formula 35 minus 29.96 by 12.94, we get a result of 0.389. Decimal scaling and analysis. Next, we look at decimal scaling. Since our maximum value is 70, which has two digits, we move the decimal point two places to the left. 35 by 100 gives us 0.35. Which method is appropriate? We conclude the z-score normalization is the best choice here. Why? Because the student feedback often contains outliers or extreme opinions. Min-max normalization get crushed by outliers, whereas z-score preserves the variance and true distribution of the data. Correlation analysis. Moving on to the question 16. Our objective here is to analyze the relationship between age, our independent variable x, and the productivity, our dependent variable y. For a group of 18 students, we start by calculating the basic statistics: age, mean of 46.4, standard deviation of 13.2, productivity, mean of 28.8, standard deviation of 9.4. Calculating covariance. The first step is finding the relationship is calculating covariance. The formula involves taking the average of the product of deviation for our 18 students. The sum of this product was approximately 1722.5 dividing by n minus 1, which is 17. We get a covariance of 101.3. Interpretation. A positive covariance indicates a direct relationship. That as age increases, productivity also tends to increase. Person's correlation and conclusion. Finally, we calculated person's correlation coefficient, which is x. The standardized covariance by dividing it by the product of the standard deviation 13.2 into 9.4 into 101.3 by 124.08 gives us an R value of 0.816. Conclusion: since R is close to plus 1.0, we have a strong positive correlation. This confirms statistically in the specific database older students report significantly higher productivity. Thank you for your time.